How to recover your lost Monopoly Go account. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to recover your lost Monopoly Go account. But note, this can only be done if your account was signed in by a Gmail or a Facebook account. So, to start up, tap on the three lines in the left corner. Then, tap on Settings. After that, click on Customer Service.
Then scroll down and tap on Tech Issues. After that, click on I lost my game progress. But we don't want to stop here. You have to scroll down until you find Chat with us. You're gonna click on it.
Lastly, in the message field type, I want to recover my account. And the customer service will certainly provide you with the instructions needed to complete your request. And that's it.